How to open Snap on Snapchat web. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to open your Snap on Snapchat web. So first thing first, you'll have to log in. For that, you need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in web.snapchat.com. Also make sure that you are already logged into your Snapchat web. So basically, to log in into your account, you'll have to provide any your credential and log in into your account. So once you're logged into your Snapchat web, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So right on this page, you'll be able to see all the chat history as well as your friends and all that sort of things. But in order to open a Snap on Snapchat web, that's actually not possible. You can open up a chat and see the chat or voice message, or you can also call them, or you can also send them voice note and all sort of thing. But unfortunately, you'll not be able to see Snap on Snapchat web. So in order to see Snap on Snapchat web, you'll have to download a desktop app. So for that, you can just go ahead and tap on, click to install the desktop app, or else you can also use the BlueStack emulator for Android devices. And after that, you can install the application and then you can see Snap on Snapchat web. So in this way, you can open Snap on Snapchat web. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.